Hello, this is Dan with Innerpc Computers, and today I'd like to talk about backing up your data, and in particular with VSS. This is Shadow Backup, which is a program you can use within the Windows operating system. So specifically, we're going to cover a fast and easy way to recover documents, and we want to set that program up so you'll be able to use it in the future. We're going to show you how to restore previous versions of Word docs, and we're going to answer a question: can it help restore data from a ransomware attack? Okay, so what I want to do is discuss how to create the backup. What you're going to do is click on or right click on the drive that you want to have backed up. In this case, I want to back up the C drive. And then you want to configure the shadow copies. So you click configure shadow copies. This will pop up, you click yes, and then you come into the shadow copies box. And then, it looks like this is what you want to highlight, the C drive. You click settings. And here, what you want to do is configure it so the C drive is being backed up, and you want to set the space limit to, I have it at 13 gigs, which is plenty. It's going to take up space on the drive, so you want to be careful that you have enough space to actually do this task. Then you can schedule it, and in this case, we are going to schedule it every 6 hours. You can actually create a new one if you want. Every day at 9 a.m. starting on 4/1/20. And what I'd like to do is change this time here because I don't want it to go at 9 a.m. You can either change the time here to 12 a.m. and then you can highlight the PM and make it AM, or you can go to advanced and you can change everything here for the date. We do want to repeat the task every 6 hours. You can have it 10 minutes, which is really quite good. Then the duration is going to have to be at least 6 hours. So I'm going to put a 7 here. And then you click OK. So that task is set up, you're ready to go, the schedule is good, and now what you want to do is you highlight this and you create now, and it's actually backing up everything. There's our revisions right there. And if you go into your C drive, and this is how you restore it, and let's say you're in Lacert and you want to right click or restore something from Lacert, you go to restore previous versions, and you'll see that all these revisions are here for Lacert. So it's a great way to get those backups done fast and easily for your file system. You can back up revisions of Word documents or Excel sheets. It's really meant for everything. So the big question is, will it protect you against ransomware? And you do want to have shadow copy enabled. I cannot guarantee that it's going to prevent ransomware from changing the files. So you do want to have a third-party backup system on a cloud platform, preferably where it's off-site, so that way if you do get hit with ransomware, you'll have that third backup option as well. So you want to do VSS, you want to back up on a local drive, and then you want to have the cloud backup. And if you do these 3 backups, you should be pretty safe against any sort of data loss. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at dan@myinnerpc.com. I'm happy to answer any questions about backup or any cloud computing questions you might have. Thank you very much and have a great day.